Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can invite friends to Zoom meeting. So, I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. And if you have any problem or any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So, firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Zoom app and then log in with your account, and then you need to be in a meeting. So I'm over here in a meeting. Now let's say I want to invite my friends. So there are many ways you can do it. So first way, you can go to this view on your top. Sorry, not here. What you need to do is you just need to go to down over here on your participants, and then over here all the way down you'll be having this invite option. Just go over here and then you can contact, or you can copy invite link over here. You can copy invitation as well. You have the meeting passcode over here. You can go to text phones, or you can go to emails as well, and you can invite your friends from over here. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.